guys, I got good day to each every one of you. Come over here. Let's have some late lunch. I have here, right there in your face, sinigang na sinigang na salmon belly. And I have here a chocolate milk drink. See that? It's foreign. Come over here. I am so hungry. Really. This could be my day 27 of not eating meat. Like beef, chicken, pork. Mouth-watering. Guys and girls, you can do it also, okay? Come on, be the first one to sip. Wow. Yumminess. Come over here. Love it? Love it. This for you. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful blessing. Guys, you can do it. You still have 22 days. 18 days. If I'm not mistaken.